Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat on Nintendo Switch. Let's dive right into the basics. Your left Joy-Con stick, or D-pad, controls movement, while the right Joy-Con buttons handle your punches and kicks. Blocking is crucial. Hold down the R button to defend against incoming attacks. Mastering these foundational controls is your first step to victory, allowing you to engage in thrilling one-on-one combat. Once you're comfortable with basic attacks, it's time to unleash special moves. Each character has a unique set, often involving directional inputs combined with attack buttons. For example, a common input might be down, forward, and then an attack button. Chaining these into combos maximizes damage. Spend time in the training mode. It's your best friend for perfecting these intricate sequences and understanding frame data for optimal performance. Beyond basic attacks and special moves, Mortal Kombat offers advanced techniques. Familiarize yourself with fatal blows, powerful cinematic attacks available when your health is low, dealing significant damage. Also, learn to read your opponent's patterns. Anticipate their moves, block effectively, and look for openings to launch your own devastating attacks. Strategic character selection, based on your opponent's choice, can also give you a significant advantage in every match. No Mortal Kombat guide would be complete without discussing fatalities and brutalities. These iconic finishing moves are character-specific and require precise button inputs at the end of a match. Fatalities are cinematic and often require specific distances from your opponent. Brutalities are quicker, often triggered by specific conditions during your final hit. Practice these in the How to Play section or training mode to perfect your gruesome victory celebrations and impress your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.